What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another video. This time I was blessed to have a friend of mine, good friend of mine, call me, let me know that his 1940, take this thing off, this 1940 Chevy was in town for me to finally see for the first time. So we're gonna do a quick walk around, let y'all see what he working with, man. Now this is a 1940 Chevy truck. Before we get to the interior, I'm going to show you some of it and give you some of the history that I know about it. He said a friend of his had a cedar tree. They went and cut it down themselves and took it to the mill to have the boards cut. He told me that look at that bumper, y'all. 1940. I see it. And look, I'm not going to show you tag, but I like it. I like it. Look at the details back then, y'all. You don't see stuff like this anymore, y'all. Look at it. 1940 Chevy, man. He spent about 4 years putting this truck together. This thing here is amazing. And I think I've been knowing him about 17 years, but to see his finished truck that he's been working on for 4 of those years out of the 17 is, that's freaking amazing, man. I love the bumper. He says an aftermarket bumper, but this is how they made them back in the day. He got an aftermarket grill. This part here, this part right here, that's original. He couldn't find that, so that's original. He said even driving it out here, he had people blowing at him, honking horns and everything. Then let's see if I can tell you what. No, I'm gonna wait on him to do this. I'm not gonna mess up nothing. Got the mirror right there. That's your air conditioner right there, AC. Windshield wiper. It's interior, y'all. Now he did this interior himself, and from what he said, it sounded like it was his first time doing a full custom interior. I didn't know that he can even do this. Let's see, give me some of that light. There we go. The ceiling. He said every bit of this truck was touched. Every bit of it touched. This is amazing. When I pulled up, I was completely speechless. Look at the stitching he did, man. The attention to the detail. That's the windshield wiper right there. I had no idea he could do all this. He outdid himself, y'all. Real talk. Really, really, really. Even put the plastic right there. Even he ain't messing up nothing. So I'm gonna see if I can't get him to step out, pop the hood so we can see what he got up under there. So, and I think I'm supposed to be on my lunch break right now, but when he called me, told me what he had, look, the gas tank. When he told me what he had, man, I had to come out here and check him out. No way. He got his initials in there. Man, what y'all know about this, man? I'm completely speechless. 1940 Chevy truck, y'all. That's the knob right there to let the window in. Like, this motivates me to want to do one myself. I'm trying to get a Cutlass right now, but just looking at everything that he's done with his vehicle, just, there you go, 1940. It's really, really, really motivating me. And see, if you remember when Calvin and Chawn did the, I think it was a 1940s Cadillac, you know, I like the chrome, and I'm loving all the chrome he got in here. So, got the mirror, got the wood trimming right here. I guess that's a light right there, I'm assuming. So This is something else. Got the spider wheel there. You say you don't drive it often. That's crazy. The cylinder's off the chain. So, look, do me a favor. Pop the hood for me. I started to touch. I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not going to even take a chance on it.
You got this side. Let me do this side.
Oh, okay. And I want you to check that latch again, because I did touch it, but I wasn't about to do no pulling.
It ain't hurt nothing.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to do no pulling. Look at that, y'all. Now, look, what size engine you got in here?
350.
350?
Yeah. 350.
And you helped install it, too?
When I got the truck, it was already in there, but I took out everything off and broke it down, put new everything in it.
Gotcha.
I helped get all that.
That's what's up, man. Oh, detail, I almost forgot. Y'all see the radio antenna. They don't make it like this no more. They really don't. Alright. So look, I'm gonna cut for just 1 second. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. It's the last shot I want to show y'all is this is how they would get to the engine to work on it. Yep. Raise up the doors on both sides. 1940, y'all. 1940. 350. And with both
350, factory air and heat.
Factory air and heat.
Yep.
I'm completely blown away. This is amazing. So I don't get to see stuff like this every day, so he just made my day. It's Friday, we're going to the weekend. He just made my weekend. So do me a favor, get in the comments, tell me what y'all think about it. This is different for the channel. We don't normally have vehicles like this, so leave a comment, tell me what you think about the truck. 1940s, y'all. See you.